What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking and thank you so much for watching. Now 2 weeks ago I covered how to remove acne spots and hyperpigmentation scars on the surface of your skin. Now last week I also covered how to exfoliate your skin and how to remove dead skin cells by choosing the right exfoliant that will help to reveal a fresher, clearer, radiant skin. What we haven't talked about, and that is so important, is how to take care of your skin barrier. Now listen up. The truth is, most of us are exposed to terrible, wrong exfoliants, maybe from recommendations, the ones you've tried before. Some of us have also used brightening tube creams that are not really good for us, and that has led to a damaged, compromised skin barrier right now. Now, in order to prevent that, I have been doing something to my skin that I'm here to hook you guys up on, and today I'm going to be revealing to you how to take care of and how to strengthen your skin barrier using some of the goodies that I've been using over my skin for the past 2 weeks. Do you know the key ingredients that supports our skin is protein, and protein is essential for our skin health. In fact, our skin is made up of 40% protein that is responsible for how firm and thick our skin barrier is going to be. Not just that, our skin barrier is what is responsible for how well our skin is going to heal when we have hyperpigmentation, when we have acne, and all the likes. The thicker, the firmer, the stronger your skin barrier is, the better your skin is going to be. Also, on the flip side, the weaker, the thinner your skin barrier is, the more it is going to be prone to acne, breakouts, and external aggressors that are just going to make your skin feeling dry, irritated, and also very sensitive. I know you're already confused. So how am I supposed to strengthen my skin barrier? I'm going to help you. So if what we lose as we age is protein, the only way to strengthen your skin barrier is to replenish and to refill that protein that your skin is losing as you age by adding protein-rich skincare products into your skincare routine. Think of it this way: the thicker, the firmer, the stronger your skin barrier is, the less prone your skin is to dryness, irritation, sensitivity, acne breakouts, and even a lot of issues that you are currently experiencing. Now, what has been helping me is to add 2 protein-rich products into my entire skincare routine to make sure that my skin barrier is maintained, is not compromised, and is also not damaged. So that means I can exfoliate my skin correctly, I can brighten my skin correctly, and I also know that I have skincare products in my skincare routine that is also going to ensure that my skin barrier is properly maintained. And this is where the 2 products that I have for you guys comes into the picture. The 2 products are the FLASKIN Rice Enzyme Protein Toner right here and the FLASKIN Soymilk Relief Protein Lotion right here. Now, in case you're wondering, Aniela, what is FLASKIN? FLASKIN is the sister brand of Numbuzin, and you guys already know how I feel about Numbuzin. They've taken my skin from the trenches, from where I used to be, to the topmost top, where my skin is glowing, radiant, and very youthful. Now, the first product line from FLASKIN is their protein line. This particular line of products right here, enriched with protein. Now let's get into the toner. The Rice Enzyme Protein Toner contains up to 60% white rice protein, niacinamide, and of course plant-based enzyme. Now let me break it down for you, because when I saw it I was very excited. The white rice protein is responsible for hydrating your skin, repairing the collapsed skin barrier, and of course restoring elasticity and youthfulness into your skin. You already know niacinamide is going to help to even out your skin tone, make sure that your skin tone is even, smooth, plump, and all the good stuff. And of course the plant-based enzyme is what is responsible for the brightening and the softening of your entire skin. It has been scientifically researched to reduce dead skin cells by up to 43% in just 2 weeks. Now, this is the good stuff. This is the part that I am really excited about. It is the texture. Every time I try a new product, I'm really concerned about the texture, because it is the texture that is going to keep me going back to the product. If the texture is not it, I'm really not going to go back to use it. The texture is a lightweight, non-tacky, non-greasy, milky texture formula that comes in an emulsion consistency. Right here, it comes in an emulsion consistency that penetrates 2 times deeper than the regular emulsion toners that you are used to. So that means this toner absorbs easily into the deeper layers of your skin without you trying to do too much. That means the areas that actually need it in your skin is going to get all the benefits instead of staying just on the topmost top. And it is also going to ensure that all the benefits that I've highlighted earlier is getting into the layers where your skin really needs it the most. Now, if you're the kind of person that you don't like something that is too greasy, too tacky, this toner is the way to go, because ever since I've been using it, I just look forward to it. It has this very beautiful blanket glow that just applies and glides easily on the surface of your skin, and that allows your skin to even look youthful, even without adding other layers of products into your entire skincare routine. The Rice Enzyme Protein Toner is a fragrance-free vegan formulation with non-irritating skincare ingredients inside it that is just going to allow your skin to get all the good benefits that I've mentioned earlier without any compromising irritation or allergic reaction to your skin. See sis, I am a normal to combination skin girly, and I have been loving the texture, the way this skincare product has been really helping my skin. You can see the glow is iridescent, it is untouchable, it is radiant. This is the product that is responsible for it. The second product in this combo is the FLASKIN Soymilk Relief Protein Lotion right here. This particular lotion, when I tried it for the first time, let me tell you guys something. Now, when I tried it for the first time, the first thing that stood out to me was the distinct texture. Now, I have used moisturizers in the past that are very rich and hydrating, but they don't usually absorb quickly. That is not the case with this particular lotion. This lotion absorbs easily into the skin, has a very lovely consistency. When you apply it, it glides easily and just gives you that, of course, the blanket glow that I've been talking about, that just gives you that iridescent, youthful appearance that you want. This lotion contains 3 different plant-based protein sources, and that is oats, soy milk, and soy protein. The oats in this particular lotion is going to help to instantly relieve itching from the surface of your skin. So if you're the kind of person that your skin is prone to irritation, itching, that constant itching sensation, then this lotion is very good for you. It has been scientifically tested to relieve itching by up to 71%. Now, I don't know about you guys, but for me, when I'm trying a moisturizer, I'm really concerned about the hydrating feeling and the moisturizing feeling and how long it is going to last on the surface of my skin. That means when I use a moisturizer, I really want to still come back after 2 hours to see that my skin is still slightly dewy, not oily, not greasy, not shiny, but really just hydrated and beautiful and moisturized. And this lotion has a long-lasting moisturizing feeling on the surface of your skin, even when you use just a little bit. Sis, my skin is normal to combination. That means I can't use anything that is too oily and too greasy or too shiny. Not the case. You see, this lotion, a little bit goes a long way because it has just this beautiful moisturizing feeling on the surface of your skin when you start to rub it and apply it deeply into the skin. The FLASKIN Soymilk Relief Lotion is also a vegan formulation that is fragrance free and that I highly recommend for my girls who are also dry and sensitive. And for my queens who are also middle-aged, you've gotten to that part in your skincare journey that you're not really seeing that elastic, firm youthfulness that you used to have when you were in your early 20s, in your mid-20s, you're already in your 40s, you're already in your late 30s, and you're trying to replenish that moisture, you're trying to replenish that youthfulness, you want your skin to be firmer, youthful, bright, and radiant again, then this lotion, as well as the toner, is the way to go. Sis, we cannot do anything on our skin if our barrier is compromised, if our barrier is damaged, and if what you are going through is dryness, irritation, sensitivity, redness. You can't fix that without fixing your skin barrier. Trust me, when you start using this product, one of the few things that you will start to notice is that your skin is plumper, it is more youthful, it is smoother. The Rice Enzyme Protein Toner also helps to remove dead skin cells. Right here, I mentioned it earlier. Also, after that, you're going to see that your skin's elasticity is becoming restored, it is coming back, that youthful glow is coming back, your skin is feeling thicker, it is feeling firmer, it is feeling very enriched and youthful. Those are the signs that you start to see. Now, of course, this product fits easily into any routine that you put it into because it is a vegan formulation, it is fragrance free, and it does not cause any irritation to the skin. So guys, if you are interested, you can find the links to these products in my description box. I'm also going to have it linked in the pinned comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, give me a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have questions when it comes to your skin barrier in the comment section down below. I'm going to be there trying to respond and trying to provide as many assistance as I can to ensure that your skin is also youthful, it is radiant, and it is of course flawless. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.